Hello again. This is Jason at Leola Stained Glass. And we're just getting our bird finished up here. And it's very important to get the consistency of the paint right. We start with outlining first, and then we'll do our shadowing and color next. This is vitreous glass paint that starts out in a powdered form. And you can add various mediums to it, including vinegar and gum arabic. They also make a propylene glycol that you can mix it with. It's your personal preference. But here we're just working on our little bird and getting her done. And we'll continue on after we fire this outline in the kiln. Thank you for watching.